So for those users who don't know what is a mechanical keyboard and what is a membrane keyboard, so you see this one is a mechanical keyboard and this one is a normal membrane keyboard. You see this layout, the membrane. In the membrane you have this silicone type pad. It's all over the click keyboard, where if you see this mechanical keyboard, you see this every key has a separate button. You see this, and you see this. These are both different. So if you want fast writing, if you are into programming, or if you are into gaming, then this will be the best offer for you, a mechanical keyboard. So you can go for the mechanical keyboard.